Did you know that corporate insiders are making moves worth billions? Join us as we uncover the secrets behind insider stock trades and what they could mean for your investment strategy. Don't miss out on this valuable insight. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the realm of corporate insider stock trades. Recent data has revealed significant insider sales from major companies like Nvidia, where insiders sold over $1 billion in stocks, and Tesla, with nearly $1 billion in trades. But it's not just selling. Companies like Eli Lilly are seeing an uptick in insider buying. We'll explore why these trades matter, key factors to consider, and how you can track insider activity to make informed investment decisions. In this video, we'll break down the 3 crucial factors to consider when analyzing insider trades: changes in company sentiment, unique insider motivations, and signals of genuine trends. You'll also learn how to access insider trading data and explore funds focused on insider activity. Stay tuned to discover how these insights can enhance your investment portfolio. Investors looking to optimize their portfolios often pay close attention to insider stock trades, which can provide valuable insights into a company's future prospects. Recently, substantial insider sales have been noted in several major Fortune 500 companies, including Nvidia, Tesla, and Fox Corporation. From June 2024 to June 2025, Nvidia insiders sold over $1 billion worth of stock, with CEO Jensen Huang selling shares worth $42 million. Similar trends are visible at Fox and Tesla, where significant insider sales suggest potential shifts in company strategy or sentiment. On the flip side, insider purchases can indicate confidence, as evidenced by Eli Lilly executives purchasing millions in company shares despite recent market declines. Tracking insider trades involves understanding the motivations behind them. Multiple factors contribute to insider buying and selling, including shifts in company outlook, personal financial needs, or tax planning strategies. Paul Holmes, a stock market analyst, explains that clusters of insider buying can signal confidence in a stock's undervaluation or anticipated growth, while selling might indicate pessimism or a desire for liquidity. Olivier Wagner adds that personal reasons, like debt settlement, can drive insider sales, which may not always reflect company performance. While insider buying often points to a genuine trend, excessive selling alone doesn't necessarily imply issues within the company, emphasizing the importance of context in this analysis. Should investors closely track insider trades? Not always, according to experts. While insider selling is common as part of executives' diversification strategies, insider buying might be a stronger indicator of a positive outlook. Market expert David Miller notes that many top-performing stocks have ongoing insider sales due to executives diversifying their holdings. However, paying attention to insider buying can reveal opportunities, especially when a company executive invests significantly in their stock. Resources like cc.gov, insidermonkey.com, or insiderscore.com provide data on insider trades. Moreover, funds like Catalyst's Insider Income Fund, IXX, invest based on insider buying, suggesting the potential value of closely monitoring these trades. Investors should focus on non-automatic transactions, looking for large timed purchases by several insiders, as highlighted by Matt Woodley. To sum it up, tracking corporate insider trades offers a window into potential market movements. While insider selling might not always signal a downturn, heavy buying often highlights underestimated stock value. Remember to focus on open market transactions and look for patterns in insider behavior. Use resources like sec.gov and specialized funds to stay informed and make strategic decisions. What do you think about tracking corporate insider trades? Have you ever used insider activity to guide your investment decisions? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content.